No, not the bees! Not the bees! Ah! Open my eyes!
My back. I'm dying. Ugh. Make sure no freaking slugs are in there. All those freaking slugs last year ate freaking all my cucumbers, and it made me so mad. And those pumpkin, what are those called we were talking about? Those pumpkin things? We want that. Oh.
Oh, there's a worm in there.
Yeah, I put a lot in there. Look at that. Recycling the dirt, so making sure it's clean and pest free, so I can start the new planting. I don't want anything to attack my little baby plants before I can get started. So I'll just get it all in here and start all over and find some nice worms. Stick some worms in there. Why is it every time you do a video, I got this shirt on? What is it? Huh? What is it? I'll go take one of those Timmy's coffees. And all right, Anthony brought to my attention that one of the chicken's breasts is raw. Raw breasts. We don't like raw breasts. Maybe in some women.
Okay.
So, okay. What happens is somebody's either picking on her. That's what I figure. Somebody in there's picking on her. So we want to catch it before it gets to be too much, because then if it starts bleeding, it'll cause more problems. So there's pros and cons for this. I like using this, but it does work. The blue keeps the chickens away because they see the blue, but they don't see the red. But on the bad side, you read that when you spray this on the chicken, you can't eat the chicken's eggs. I don't know. I've been eating the chicken's eggs right along. I don't know. You do your own thing. So we're going to try this. I've worked with this before with the wound care. It's the cat spray. If neither of these are gonna work, I'm gonna just try antibiotic. I don't know. I'll just get some cream or something, but I'm gonna try first with this so we can eat the eggs. And now we're gonna try and go catch the raw breasted chicken.
You mean I'm gonna go catch it?
Well, you're gonna go catch the naked titty chicken? Shit.
So the reason why this happens to the chickens is because usually
Someone's picking
they'll rub up against whatever and the feathers will fall off. And what will happen is the other chickens will pick on the chicken that has a rash. So it just gets worse and worse and worse.
Oh, yeah, you like that. Yeah. Oh.
All right, so let's see how bad it is. Yeah, that's a raw chicken breast, huh?
That's a You're okay, honey. All right, out of my pocket. See it?
This is the cat one.
Oh, it went down to her private. Yeah, just spray it. All right, hold on. It's all right. Not me. Oh,
That's the win, that's
it
the
went in
win.
my face. I got no raw chicken breasts. All the way down. Look. Here, wait, let me turn her around.
The wind.
I don't want to hurt her. Hold on. Oh. The only thing is it's still red. They might still go after her.
Wanna try the blue after?
Oh, poor little thing. She's real bad. You're real bad. I didn't realize how bad her breasts were. So we're actually going to spray her with the blue and then isolate her so she gets better. It's better that you do that then. Just isolate her so we don't have to worry about her eggs and she's safe from the other chickens picking on her.